Hey everyone, welcome to African Nut Food. Today we're going to make beans, means beans and plantain. Yeah, not making a bean stew. It's a normal beans, the way we have it on the roadside in Ghana. So if you like to know how we make it, please stay tuned. So we have our 500 gram of black eye beans. We soak it for 6 hours. So now we're going to cook this. I washed it and everything. So I'm going to add my salt here, about 1 teaspoon of salt here, and I'm going to leave it on the fire to cook for about 30 to 45 minutes, and it will be ready so we can start everything else. So at this point our beans is almost cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a bit of 1 teaspoon of Scotch bonnets in my beans, like that. Yeah, and I'm going to mix it really well so it goes in. The reason why I put the pepper is, you know, sometimes when you put the oil on, there's not enough pepper, so I'm cooking the beans with the pepper, so there will be enough pepper in the beans for me. Yeah, but that is optional. It's up to you. Don't do the way I'm doing. If you want, if you don't like, don't put the pepper in. So I'm going to cover it and leave it for another 5 minutes, and it'll be ready. So yeah. So now we're doing our plantain. We're going to fry our plantain now. Here, one there already, and the second one. So now the beans is ready. So I'm going to do this plantain and do the oil as well, and it'll be ready. So while the plantains are cooking, I'm going to add the onion. I have added Zomi oil here. Yeah. And I'm going to add my onion, half of this onion here. I'm going to add it to the oil. I'll leave it to warm a bit first, and then I'll put the onions and the pepper, the Scotch bonnet as well here together. So I have added the onion and the pepper, the Scotch bonnet here. I'm gonna leave it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and it will be ready. So at this point our plantains are ready, and the beans also is ready. We have our gari here, and then we have our oil that we made, the onion and the pepper and the oil here. So I'm going to serve this and show you how it looks like. So I'm going to serve the beans here on the plates. Nice, nice. Then here you are. Then I'm going to add a bit of oil and the onion and the pepper on top of the beans. Voila. Beautiful. And also I'm going to add a bit of gari on top. Here. And our plantains. There we are. Voilà, c'est fini. Notre haricot, plantain et avocat et d'huile, oignon, tout ça. J'ai mis tout ça dessus. C'est fini. C'est très bon. Si vous n'avez pas essayé ça encore, essayez-le. This is our beans and our plantain, avocado, garlic, onion, oil. That is beans. Yeah, roadside beans is ready. So see, if you haven't tried this, try it. It's delicious. It's really nice. So try this. Okay, I hope you enjoy cooking with us already today, and I hope to see you again. So if you like this, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like and comment, and see you soon. Bye.